What you focus on always comes in your mind. Your mindset is a gift that make you best against best. Be smart, because being smart means having the ability to learn, reason, and solve problem. It's quality that helps you to achieve your goals, succeed in career, and make a positive impact on the world. Remember that intelligence is not enough. Without patience, and our intelligence becomes dry and uninspiring. Best motivation for you is your inner motivation. When you understand your emotion, worse situations become good. Best gratitude in this world is it. Whenever we are saying thank you to ourselves, it helps us to encourage ourselves, motivate ourselves, and love ourselves. Essential aspect of gratitude is that whenever we are realizing that hopelessness is at its peak, but we are still laughing and smiling, and we are encouraging ourselves to move on. Ask a question to yourself before going to bed that how much time did you smile today? When you find out this answer, happiness will move to you. If you are watching this video, just smile. Smile deeply with the core of your heart.